These are two names, Annie. If you ask anyone,
I know Alex is in the middle.
but the chicken is like just
Never heard.
I would go to a US. I would really. You end up just watching the screen.
Yeah,
You don't see, you just watching the screen.
yeah, 'cause it's so small. The environment, that's I would be fine.
If you have decent seats, you don't
Decent seats, I think decent seats here.
I really like the environment.
Cheers, mate.